Welcome back to Kirsten Road. This is the layout construction update for April 2025. For the past couple months, I've worked really hard at finalizing the details at the Black Horse Inn, as well as Anna's Halt. This section was originally the Kirsten Road level crossing, but with the expansion of the railway, I decided instead to make this a halt, named after my youngest daughter, Anna. Details include Model U figures, a pagoda halt from Intentio, and a ground level signal box from Pico. This section is about 98% complete, with just a few details remaining. The next section of the layout I've begun to work on is the Bodman & Sons coal merchant. This will probably stay in its current state for a while, as I will be slowing down my modeling come spring and summer here in Minnesota. But I'm very happy with the Intentio coal merchant, how that's turning out, and looking forward to completing this first customer on the railway. Colham Canal is sort of the midway point. It transitions from between the two walls on the layout. I was able to get a nice bit of the scenery completed in the last couple months, as well as the two bridges. The front bridge, Arch Bridge, is the railway bridge, and then the bridge in the background is a roadway bridge. And that will transition behind a hill and behind the dairy that is planned for that corner. The new Kirsten Road level crossing is just to the left of Colham Canal. Once again, I used a Pico level crossing gate for the Kirsten Road level crossing. The double signal at this crossing is a Pico product as well. The vehicles you see in the layout are all Oxford die-cast. Since January, I finished the backdrops at Kirsten Road Station and added the loop track in front of the main line. Aside from that, very few other details have been completed at Kirsten Road outside of the station itself. The last section on the existing layout is Kirsten Road's goods yard. Track has been laid and a first layer of paint has been applied, but there are no other details, and I will likely not focus on this section until the fall. Even though Kirsten Road is fictional, I wanted to add realism by giving it a place on the map. The Great Western Railway out of Princess Risborough ran north and west to Bicester, as well as west to Oxford. Somewhere near the village of Little London is the branch line to Kirsten Road. Well, there you go, followers. The layout construction update for April 2025 for Kirsten Road. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Until next time, happy modeling.